Abshin, Fan of the Pep. Welcome to the Fan of the Pep podcast. Thomas Chauke and Ashimir sisters. So now, this nigga needs to retire before he ruins his legacy. It's no longer the time for him to go chime. And already the team feels incomplete without Manflow. What is he doing? This album, Majagan, come on, man. Shinyori has given us more classics than any Tsonga music who has ever recorded music, number one. We have more timeless music, Washinyori, Kutula, from anyone. So how come this dude comes in 2018? When we've been waiting for this album, and then he gives us Majagan, a project that sounds like things he has done before. Come on, man. We have had better hits of the songs that are on Majagan. There are better versions of those songs. You just need to check the nigga's catalog. Shinyori take that early, and you are on social networks, so number one, bala vitogulgum loko Shinyori adio kudu abahlangene kwa. So Shinyori take while gang. It's just sad, man, kubona the legend fade out in front of us. Shinyori should save himself. I feel Shinyori needs a team, better management. Yeah, he needs a better. To manage people, man, pray. I can't tell you GCRP. Pray. What so what else can you do for Dr. Thomas Chauke? You need someone with ideas. Dr. Thomas Chauke needs fresh blood. People will be aggressive and sell him as a brand. There's so much the guy can offer. There's so much. Just him as a man, he's like an institute. He has the history. He has all the tools that young Tsonga artists need. It's just a matter of now creating product around his experience, around his existence, around his catalog. That's all his management needs to do. So he needs more of a business manager rather than fresh new ideas and put him on. I listen to the pre-list. You manage him in the one with that call when the booking. Album unnecessary. Resemble some Majagani by Sanyana or gang of Elonga Shinyori what is he capable of. Obviously that Baba Mela, but we know Shinyori is 10 times better than Majagani and the entire album. So let's try and with the so mesela now. If Sula Song family got financially, he needs to think outside the box and set himself up to have proper income. Playing with music was once you destroy the Dr. Thomas Chauke legacy, you are destroying Ndoti Wabundanga Tsonga. It's a He's the most decorated, he's the most the highest selling to ever do it, the most decorated to ever do it, the most proven composer and producer when it comes to producing hits. There's no accolade Shinyori anga music. So if he goes irrelevant, that is very dangerous just for our confidence that near Shaka when it comes to music, to be specific. There's so much he could do. I bet he has a lot of unreleased material that he can find new ways of exploiting them. I'd say it's enough. Half-time spara for the half-time retire and spara. The project, Kono was a dope project. You pulled out while it was good. Manflow, first album, classic. But I feel if you want to come back to music, just stay behind the scenes and put everything on Shona. Come Manflow, because she has the juice. You are incomplete without her. Whatever me all like Shona. Now where she was still. And like manly. Dr. Thomas Chauke and Shinyori sisters as a collective is incomplete. You will never give us a hit without Manly. Elish. Now when I was Steve, she will never give us a classic album without you. That's why Pfuka would be that first album. There's never been a follow-up of what you did with first album, Manflow.